Lima X-ray, flighting 175, runway 20, cleared for takeoff.
Tower Jazz 8544, NOAA final 24 right.
Jazz 8544, wind is 180 knots, clear line 24 right.
Clear line 24 right, Jazz 8544.
Jazz 7844, turn left to heading, 120 degrees. Jazz 7844, left heading 120. Jazz 7844, do you read? Yes. Jazz 7779, clear to 11000. Okay, what's going on here?
Departure Jazz 7844, do you read?
Jazz 7844, 12331, how do you read me?
We've got you 3 by 3, but there's an open mic on the frequency.
Air Canada 269, thanks, call Toronto 13257.
3257, you better spank that boy tonight.
Yeah, he's behind me shaking in his boots right now, actually.
Acceptable. I happen to be flying with a lady tonight, and I've never heard anything like that in 32 years.
Okay, thank you, sir. Call Toronto 3257.
3257, Air Canada 269.
Sat down, so I don't know what this is all about exactly, but apologies for whatever happened. Call Toronto, tell me direct Kingston on 3425.
No offense taken, the comments that were heard, I believe they were not referring to the lady pilot with Air Canada, they were referring to the problem that was going on with the communications.
Oh, I see what you mean. Anyway, I'll find out more later. Thanks, 3425.
No problem, thanks a lot, good day.